Whether it's promoting brain health, supporting the nervous system, or maintaining cellular health and energy levels, vitamin B12 is essential for us to thrive. But while this vitamin is excellent for our health, more and more of us are finding less and less in our systems because we don't produce it naturally. Changes in eating habits, like relying more on plant-based diets, along with the one thing we can't change, the passage of time, are also impacting the levels of this vital nutrient. Luckily, our experts saw the need and formulated our B12 Elite to help you fill in any of your gaps. But we didn't just throw any old form of the vitamin in there. B12 Elite uses the active forms of B12, so it's easier for your body to absorb and access the health benefits right away. This tasty, vegetarian lozenge has no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners, and has absolutely no added sugar. So start promoting your brain health, nervous system, blood cells, and more with B12 Elite from Life Extension.